Alrighty guys, welcome back. So I saw some comments on the old videos and I realized in the video too that the exhaust was shaking when I rev it. And I saw another person that has the same one but on a different bike, and I realized I didn't put this whole thing. So I mean it's gonna scratch it, but that's how it's supposed to be. So now when I turn it on, look at this, it does not shake anymore. Let me make sure it's not in gear so we don't break it. All right, you guys see it doesn't shake anymore. I think that's how it's supposed to be for sure. And it was pointed up as well, so it was going in my ear a lot. So I made it go like that way backwards, and I put that as well. So now it looks flush like this. But yeah guys, so exhaust is fixed, it doesn't rattle anymore. I learned how to rev match today. I'm trying to film a video, but this stand keeps falling now. At this point I really just need a motovlog stuff, even if I'm not like motovlogging, to film rev matching or any type of video, man. It's easier, it's way easier than filming with the camera. While you're driving a motorcycle, it's literally impossible. Then anywhere I set the camera, it keeps falling on the floor from the wind or something. So yeah, but yeah guys, for now, just a quick update on the Ninja 400. What else are we doing? I want to do mirrors, different glass. Let me know guys, what other good mods can we do to this bike. And yeah, we're about to start like episodes. I want to start going to like doing food episodes with it, or taking it to car meets, and yeah, taking it on the highway. I have a lot of stuff I want to do with this bike. I'm still waiting. We're at, look at the miles, we're at 252 guys. We're really close to 600, and then we can start having fun. So break-in period is almost done. These tires have been so slippery guys, be careful. Please don't ride fast on a new bike. Those tires are so dangerous and slippery. But I'm starting to wear into them a little bit. That red line is gone, green one's still there, obviously because I'm not leaning a lot, as you can tell, because they're still super slippery and sketchy. So yeah, join the journey, subscribe, leave a like, and yeah boys, I'll see you in the next one.